Every gardener eventually faces that moment. The plants look pale, the growth has stalled, and nothing seems to change no matter how much you water or fertilize. When the soil beneath your plant stops working, it's time to wake it up. Not with expensive products or complicated brews, but with a solution so simple, it might surprise you. This compost tea is made from just one powerful ingredient. Yet the results speak for themselves. It revives tired plants, reactivates soil microbes, and attracts earthworms, all with almost zero effort. And it starts with alfalfa pellets. Alfalfa pellets are usually sold as livestock feed, but gardeners who understand soil biology know their true value. These small, dense pellets are packed with nitrogen, trace minerals, and a remarkable natural growth stimulant called triacontanol. When steeped in water, they become the perfect minimalist compost tea, rich, fast-working, and versatile enough to be used on everything from tomatoes and peppers to leafy greens and flowering plants. Unlike teas made from kitchen scraps or animal waste, alfalfa tea is clean, odorless, and beginner-friendly. The magic begins the moment water hits the pellets. They begin to swell and soften, releasing nutrients and bioactive compounds into the water. After 24 to 48 hours of soaking, the resulting tea becomes a microbial feast. This solution doesn't just fertilize, it brings your soil to life. When poured onto garden beds, container soil, or raised beds, the tea feeds microbes that have been lying dormant or struggling due to poor conditions. Once those microbes become active, they begin converting nutrients into plant-available forms, creating a surge of biological activity right around the root zone. The presence of triacontanol makes alfalfa tea more than just nutrient-rich. This plant hormone-like compound stimulates root growth and cell division in plants while simultaneously boosting the microbial activity that builds living soil. The effects are often visible within days: greener leaves, thicker stems, and more vigorous growth. For gardeners managing compacted soil or containers where biology is often lacking, this is one of the fastest ways to trigger change. Another powerful side effect of this tea is its ability to attract earthworms. As the microbial population explodes near the application site, worms are drawn to the activity. They follow the scent of decaying organic matter and bacterial colonies, settling in areas treated with the tea. As they move through the soil, they create channels that improve aeration and water infiltration, and their castings further enrich the soil structure. This sets off a regenerative cycle. More microbes feed more worms, and more worms feed the plants. Alfalfa compost tea isn't just effective, it's easy. No need for bubbling systems, complicated ratios, or molasses additives. A handful of pellets in a 5-gallon bucket of water is enough to prepare a powerful batch. Let it steep for a day or two, then apply it directly to the base of plants or use it as a foliar spray. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, it won't burn your plants or disrupt the microbial balance. It can be used weekly during peak growing season or monthly for general soil support. For container gardeners and those growing in small spaces, this tea is especially useful. Soils and pots tend to become compacted or biologically sterile over time. Pouring alfalfa tea into these spaces reintroduces life without changing the soil mix or disturbing roots. It's also excellent for seedlings and young transplants, offering gentle nutrition without shock. Foliar feeding with alfalfa tea brings another set of benefits. Sprayed directly on the leaves, the tea delivers nutrients through the stomata and leaf surface, which can be especially helpful during times of stress or rapid growth. It also provides a light coating that can help improve disease resistance and pest tolerance, especially in plants like cucumbers, basil, and strawberries. There are plenty of compost tea recipes out there, but most of them require several inputs, strict brewing protocols, or constant monitoring. What sets alfalfa tea apart is its simplicity. It's shelf-stable, inexpensive, and effective for both beginner and advanced gardeners. It doesn't try to do everything, it just focuses on feeding soil biology and giving plants what they need in a form they can actually use. In a time when overcomplication is common, this minimalist method feels refreshingly direct. The end result is clear. Healthier plants, richer soil, and fewer problems with pests, disease, or poor yields. All from one ingredient and a bit of water. If your garden is in a slump, or you're just looking for a way to enrich your soil naturally, give this single-ingredient compost tea a try. Watch your plants respond almost immediately, and enjoy the satisfaction of building better soil without the guesswork. For more regenerative gardening methods that actually work, subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this guide with fellow gardeners looking for results that don't require a chemistry degree. Let your soil come back to life, simply powerfully, and naturally.